I'm going to quickly show you what to do with your test correction once I have assigned it to you in Delta Math. So once I've assigned it to you, when you go in there, you should see something that's called Test Correction 1-1 to 1-4. Okay, so I'm going to click on this. Now you have to get your grade, you have to know what questions you missed on the test, and you have to know what your grade is out of 250, because they were like 10 points piece, but your grade is a percentage, and so you can't put in like 75 there, because that's just not going to work out for you. Okay, so I have, let's say that I got 200 of the 250 points. Okay, so let's say I missed question 3, so I'm going to put a 10 in here, because you lost all of the 10 points if you got it wrong. I got number 8 wrong. I got number 12 wrong. I don't even know what these are, so just number 16. Now, my initial intention was those questions that I told you I was going to give you full credit back for. I wasn't going to have you put them in here, but you have to. In order for this to work, you have to. So you will still get full credit back. You just have to get half credit back first, and then I'll give you the rest. And you're going to have to work through those problems. The good news is those were some of the quick problems that really didn't require work. It was just the nature of how answers, and I'll remind you of that. Because here's what's going to happen. So 17 is one of those questions. If I just leave that out, like that was the 5th one I missed, when I go down here and do initialize test correction, my points are off. It doesn't add up correctly, so it won't let me do it. So I have to say, okay, yeah, I missed 17, and then I can initialize my test correction, and it looks like this. Okay, if you, so for each question that you missed, you have to get 3 of them right now to get half of your credit back. If you missed more than one question of the same concept, then it'll say 0 out of 5. And so instead of doing 6, basically you just do 5 and it's all in one thing. Okay, so let's say that I click on in behavior graphically. So click on this, because I wanted to start off on that one. So it says, I got the graph of this. It shows my completion is 0. My new test is 80. That's actually my original test grade because I haven't done anything yet. So on this, I know as x approaches infinity, we're going to infinity, negative infinity, we're going to infinity. So as x approaches negative infinity, we're going to infinity. That's the first 2. And then, okay, so it looks like it's this one. So I'm going to click on this one. I'm going to submit my answer. Yes, that's what I want to do. And I got it right. So now it shows that I'm 7% complete and my new test grade is 81. It's not 80, I don't have like half of that credit back yet because I've only completed 1 out of the 3. Okay? So you have to get 3 right for each concept, or 3 or 5 depending. And then it shows 7% complete, but when I click on one of these, it does show me my new grade is 81. So if you stopped there, you went from an 80 to 81, you're done. But you have to complete all of these. You have until September 5th at 11:59. I extended that. I originally said Monday, but I extended it to, actually, I think I originally said Sunday, but because it's taken me so long to even get this out to you, I extended it to Tuesday. Okay, so I've given you tons of time, probably more time than I would normally give for this, but just in case we run into any other roadblocks or stuff that I wasn't expecting. So you have until Tuesday, September 15th at 11:59. The sooner you do it, the better, but that's how long you have. Okay, and remember, you are not going to see this in Delta Math until I have assigned it to you. And I'm not assigning it to you until you have done what you were supposed to do in Schoology and sent me a remind about it. Okay, and remember, when you do that, please be patient. Thank you for those of you that have already sent it and been very patient, because like I said, it took me a lot longer than I thought. But be patient, it may not happen instantly. I will send you an individual remind when it's actually assigned to you. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions.